Mama, someday you'll be so proud of me. You'll see me hanging in the New York gallery. Someday I'm gonna drop from the left side of my brain. People gonna ask, is it brilliant or plain? But as long as I don't know how to hang a Warhol, I'll keep sketching birds that are all like her. Very simple and true, like you've known me to do. And if you like them, yeah. But if you don't, it's not bad, 'cause I really don't care. Said Papa, someday I'm gonna write a symphony. 48 piece band all dressed up like me.